I am back with the Honda CR-V, but it might look a little bit different to what it was on the channel last time. That's because it's had a major upgrade with the latest generation. But what exactly has changed? But first, a little bit about the CR-V in general. They come in a two-wheel drive version like this one, or a four-wheel drive version, as well as a self-charging hybrid, or even a plug-in hybrid. But what are some of the facts and figures about the one I have been living with for the past week?
I had the 2-litre Advanced Tech plug-in hybrid, two-wheel drive in Canyon River Blue Metallic.
What about the changes? Well, the main thing Honda's gone with is sporty, refined and practical. And you can see in all aspects there's been some major upgrades. I think the obvious has got to be the looks. It's seen a huge improvement, and especially ticking off that sporty design.
Whilst the whole exterior has had a refresh, the most noticeable changes are the new mesh grille, alloys, streamlined LED headlights and distinctive rear lights.
The revised e:HEV has now got a downsized battery, yet is more energy dense, so it's given a more efficient motor. There have been some upgrades with the plug-in. So the ePHEV has now got a bigger battery at 17.7 kilowatt hours, and this is going to give us a whopping 51 miles on purely electric. The interior is a huge step up. It's what we've seen with Honda across the board with the ZR-V and the HR-V, and it's now been brought into this new generation CR-V. It's modern, it's sophisticated, it's a really nice place to be.
With the use of higher quality materials, sophisticated and modern design, and an uncluttered dash for easy driver reach.
There's a greater sophistication of driver aids and active safety features, so it's really helping integrate those necessities for the safety features in a car, but not taking away too much from the driving experience as a whole.
As well as the usual blind spot assist, assisted cruise control and so on, this is the first Honda in Europe to offer their Sensing 360, their latest driver safety and assist technology.
We're going to find more room as well, and that's thanks to the longer wheelbase and the wider stance. I mean, the boot alone has a whopping 617 litres worth of space. You've got the flat lip here. I mean, this is massive. And you can thank those changes for the increase in rear legroom. I mean, look how much space we have, but also 2 USB-C chargers, and my favourite feature, rear heated seats. Although the previous generation CR-V drove great and it ticked all the boxes of what you expected from it, this new generation has gone above and beyond, and it's almost like ticking those boxes with a big, bold Sharpie. Even the drive has improved. It is so smooth, so quiet. The hybrid modes work fantastic. And it's still got enough power that if you need to overtake or drive onto a motorway slip road, you can do that with more than enough confidence. The visibility is fantastic. You've got big open spaces, especially with the sunroof back. Now, in terms of driving position, you're quite high up, and I like that. It gives you more confidence on the roads. You can see everything you need to. And even though it is a bigger car, it handles pretty well for the size. The steering is nearly perfect for the car. It's not too light, it's not too heavy, and even down to the brake pedal, sometimes in electric and hybrids, it can feel a little bit disconnected. And this is far from that. It just feels like a normal brake pedal, which is something I love. And with it being a hybrid, we're going to expect some efficiency, and it doesn't disappoint. Even with the weight and a good amount of power and my heavy right foot, it still is seeing over 45 mpg on a short town journey. With a full tank and a full electric charge, we were seeing nearly 400 miles, and that's with an average with town journeys. So just imagine what we could get sitting at a consistent speed on a motorway.
And as perfectly demonstrated, it soaks up all of the bumps in British roads.
The latest generation of the Honda CR-V is built on everything the previous generations have stood for. I mean, it definitely ticks the boxes of sporty, practical, stylish, and I mean a great driving experience. So there we have it, guys. You all know the drill. To make my journey your journey, like, follow, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.